In this lecture, we are going to see the practical demonstration that how we are going to scan the module, what are the options and sections are available in modules, and how we can uniquely identify our test object or elements from the web page. So this is the application, this is the demo application we are going to see. This is the demo web shop application. You can search it. It's a dummy website provided by the Tricentis, and we are going to scan this login functionality at first. And before you start with your scan, please make sure that your browser must have this Tosca extension, automation possible one. Or if you are doing it for the first time, you are doing the module scan for the first time, you will also see a pop-up that will appear that please install this plugin for your browser. So I'll say that you must have that one before scanning of the module, or you can have it during the scan of module. So now I'm going to create new project, and under module you just have to create first your project. So my project is demo web shop. Under it, just create a feature wise folders. So at first I'm having the feature of login functionality, so I'll add the login here. Likewise, according to your project need, you can define the folder structures under the module, like your project, and under the project you have the features, and inside these features you have the application under test pages, like the page objects you have in Selenium. So now under the login I'll have the login page test object in it. So I'm going to create a module. So just click on this folder, and there is a scan option is available. So this scan option will provide you the scan of application. This is the X scan, and then the API scan is also there, mobile, PDF, remote terminal. If you have these, all options are also available. And in advanced one you have the WebDriver scan, the Salesforce scan, and the file scan, and our old and classic legacy scan is also there. But we'll go with this application scan, that is the X scan. So I'll click on this, and whichever the application you wanted to scan, this all will comes in a pop-up. Although you can scan the UI as well as the non-UI application, but right now we prefer this UI application. So I'm going to scan this one. So when you click on this one, it will scan all the elements that are present on your screen, on your web page, by itself. So you can find out these all elements are there on page, and it scanned all the element in one go. You don't need to write, or you don't need to locate any element. You don't have to put that effort in it. It is by default scanned, and it will show you in this window. So you can see the all elements are there. Let's see what are the values that is present on this X scan. This is the condensed view. When you click on this, this is going to minimize your pop-up window, and you can see the screen in a full way, and you can select the elements from here also, and the elements will appear on this screen. This is all elements. If you want some your own custom element, that I don't need this all element, I just need a login email and the password and the login. So this is it. This is the way. Do the condense and select your element as per your need. Then there is a basic view is also there. This is the advanced view. When you click on this basic view, this is going to shorten your window, and you'll find out the only the element you select on this page as per your need will be appear in this one. If I look in the advanced one, you can also find out the option of highlight section is there. So let's suppose this books is there, and you have the books and books. This multiple options are available in your all elements. So how can you identify which one is related with these books? So I'll do one thing. I'll do the select highlight, and now I'm going to click the okay, I'll just unclick it. I just select the books element. I'm going to see this element is present on my web page at what location. So I'll just select that element and I'll click on this highlight section. You can see this books option is highlighted into in red. So that means this element is this books one that is on the bar. Likewise, you can also search where this books element is present. You can highlight it, and you can able to see that this books is under that bar, under the category. Okay, and this is to select on screen. That is the custom way, means whichever you need for your login module, you can select that one. This is to locate the element in a different way. Like the default one we are having is the property one. The property means the all the tags and attributes of that particular elements is comes under this property, and then there is an anchor is there. This anchor is related with the parent to child siblings kind of way we can locate this thing. And then there is an image locator is also there. Through the image you can also locate, but this is not the preferred way, not the recommended way, because there might be change in resolution and anything, then your element would be you would be failed to locate. And then there is the index is also available. So I'll cover these all in the next lecture, that how we are going to scan our elements through these different uh, uh, different ways. Okay, so now I'm going to select yeah, one more thing is there is a filtered item is also there. So if you need either your element would be comes in a more detailed way, you can increase this value. And as long as you increase this value, you can see that this books is now in a more detailed way. So the element is showing its property in a more granular way. So here also you can learn more if you need, or you can just uh, set it to this one also. So if I'll go and select the some elements that according to my need, I just click on this one, select on screen, and I'll select whatever I need for my login module. I need this email. I need the email text box, and then I need the password text box, and I just need this login button. If I'll just open, see these all four elements that I have selected, it is present over here. If I'll show you that how these elements are located, this is the text one, and the text simple text are located through the inner text and the tag one. So this is the property where you can locate your element in a unique way. So let's suppose uh, if I wanted to locate the element, I have to select these technical properties of it. If I just wanted to use the outer text, then I can also use the outer text, and I can remove the inner text also. So this is how you can locate it. So these values we change usually when your element is frequently changing. Let's suppose this element is located by the ID. That would be, I think, the next element, the email. This element is located by the ID, and you can see this ID is the email. But let's suppose in your project this element is changing very frequently. So you can just remove this ID, and you can select the name also. Like that also you can select the property as per your need, but you have to make sure that the property of the element must not be frequently changing. And in Tosca, we would not recommend that you would go with this XPath, because there might be a chance that you can face this absolute XPath is there. So like this. So in this way, in this absolute XPath, if anything changes in between, if any of this div position will change, then this all XPath would be failed to locate your element uniquely. So what is the concept of unique locate or non-unique locate of your elements? So if I'll just remove this one, if let's suppose your element is not uniquely identified, then this element is going to be highlighted by the yellow one. And you can also see the downside that the selected item is not unique. So you have to make sure that your all of your element must be unique, because while running the test case you have to provide the value to this email, but before that you have to locate the element. So you have to make sure that your element is unique. So we have to select property like that this element must be unique. You can select other representation property also, like if this is visible, then you can select that one. So this is some if enabled, if focused, some representation properties are also there, but we are mostly this is you require when you have to give certain condition, or otherwise we can leave it blank also. So these 4 elements you have located. Now just save it. Okay, and when you save it, you are going to see that these elements are scanned, and this name comes as your project name and the login. And now you can see also this is located over here. And if you just select this attribute, this is the module, and these are of it module and attributes. You can also provide the custom name over here, like the email, provide email, like this. You can change also, like the password is there, so you can rewrite it as a provide password, and click on this login button. So you can do it, you can scan it, your module, and you can rename it as you like. From here also you can see this element is located by the inner text, and which all are the properties are available in it. This is a provide email, this is the provide password and login. So this is all we have from the basic scanning purpose. So in the next lecture I'll cover that how you can scan your module by the different ways, and what are some more way to add in your elements when you are not uniquely able to identify it. Okay, so we'll see you in the next lecture.